Did you know Rome once gave a woman a full state funeral while she was still alive? Here's how it worked. Vestal virgins were selected as young girls, sometimes as young as 6, to serve the goddess Vesta for 30 years. They had more legal privileges than most senators. They were untouchable, sacred, the most respected women in the entire empire. But if a Vestal broke her vow of chastity, Rome had a problem. Killing a sacred woman was forbidden, so they got creative with the paperwork. The Pontifex Maximus, Rome's highest priest, would perform her last rites. A funeral procession moved through the city. Mourners, prayers, the whole ceremony. And then they lowered her, alive, into an underground chamber with a small lamp and a few days of food. Then they sealed the entrance. Rome's official position? They didn't kill her. They simply gave her a room. She broke her vow. The state just did some filing. This is what happens when the people who invented law decide someone has to go.